Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.18, that is question number 2.18 of the chapter motion in a straight line. The question is given as figure 2.15 gives a speed time graph of a particle in motion along a constant direction. Three equal intervals of time are shown. In which interval is the average acceleration greatest in magnitude? In which interval is the average speed greatest? Choosing the positive direction as the constant direction of motion, give the signs of velocity and acceleration in the three intervals. What are the accelerations at points A, B, C and D? Let us find what is the solution. Here you can find that solution, that is average acceleration is greatest in interval 2. Average acceleration average acceleration is greatest in interval 2. In interval 2, average speed is greatest in interval 3. Average speed is greatest in interval 3. V is positive in interval 1 to 3. Velocity is positive in intervals 1, 2 and 3. Acceleration is positive. Acceleration is positive. Acceleration is positive in interval 1 and 3, and negative in interval 2 and negative in interval 2. Acceleration is 0. Acceleration equal to 0 at A, B, C and D. Acceleration is given. Acceleration is given by the slope. Acceleration is given by the slope of the speed time graph. In the given case, it is given by the slope of the speed time of the speed time graph within the given interval of time, within the given interval of time, Since the slope of the given speed time graph is maximum in interval 2, since the slope since the slope is slope of the given slope of the given slope of the given speed time graph speed time graph is maximum in interval 2, average acceleration will be greatest in this interval. Average acceleration will be the greatest in this interval. And the last one, height of the curve. Height of the curve. Height of the curve from the time axis. The time axis gives the average speed of the particle. Average speed of the particle. It is clear that the height is greatest in interval 3 Here the average speed of the particle is greatest in interval 3. Hence average speed is average speed of the particle is the greatest in interval 3. So first of all, we find the slope. You can find that the acceleration is given by the slope of the speed time interval. In the given case, it is given that the slope of the speed time graph within the given interval of time. So the slope of the given speed time graph is maximum in interval 2. If you find the slope, you will find the slope, and here you will find this slope here. This is the slope. This is the slope of A, right? And this is the slope of B. This particle is here. This is the slope of B. And you find the slope of C at this point. This is the point slope. So you can find this point is maximum in interval 2. Therefore, the speed time graph, it is maximum interval 2. This one, the slope is maximum. So slope is maximum means here acceleration is maximum, right? So you can say the average acceleration is greatest in interval 2 and average speed is greatest in interval 3, and this is speed. That means average speed is maximum. This one, you see, if you draw a line here, the maximum point in 3 is 3. Therefore the maximum speed in 3, right? What are the acceleration points A, B, C? At point A, at point B, and at point C, you see this is a straight line. Therefore at this point the acceleration is 0, right? This is a straight line. The slope is straight line. Therefore, tan 0 equal to 0, tan 0 degree equal to 0. Therefore, there is no, the slope is 0, means acceleration is 0 at the point A, B, C and D, right? Now we'll find another important thing, that is this one. Let us first I am erasing this one. After that I will explain what about other things about it, right? So this is very clear from the graph that the slope is maximum at point 2, so the acceleration will be maximum, and at point A, B, C and D the acceleration, right? I will find in interval 1, in interval 1 in interval 1 in interval 1 the slope of the slope the slope of the speed time slope of the speed time graph slope of the speed time graph slope of the speed time graph is positive. Its acceleration is positive, hence acceleration is positive. Acceleration is positive. Acceleration is positive. Similarly, speed of the particle is also positive. Similarly, speed of the particle, speed of the particle, speed of the slope of the speed time graph is positive. Similarly, hence acceleration is positive. Similarly, speed of the particle is positive. Similarly, speed of the particle is also positive. Also positive in this time interval. In interval 2, in interval 2, in interval 2, the slope of the speed time graph, the slope of speed time graph is negative. Hence acceleration is negative. Hence acceleration is negative. Acceleration is negative. However, speed is positive. Speed is positive. Speed is positive because it is a scalar quantity. Because it is a scalar quantity. In interval 3, in interval 3, the slope of the speed time graph is 0. In interval 3, the slope of speed time in interval 3, the slope you can see the slope is nearly 0. This is the, again I am finding here, the slope is 0 because we are finding at this point, right? So it is a straight line, so the slope is 0. So you can find here that in interval 3 the slope of the speed time graph, slope of the speed time graph is 0. Hence acceleration is 0. Hence acceleration is 0. Hence acceleration is 0. Hence acceleration is 0. However, here the particle acquires uniform speed. However, the particle, however, the particle acquires some uniform speed, some uniform speed. It is positive. It is positive in this time interval. It is positive in this time interval. Points ABC, points A, B, C and D are all parallel, are all parallel to time axis. Hence the slope is 0. Hence the slope is 0 at these points. At these points. Therefore, points A, B, C, D, acceleration of the particle is 0. Therefore, at points A, B, C, D, acceleration of the particle is 0. Acceleration of the particle is 0. So first of all, we find the acceleration. In this point, acceleration is 0. In this point, acceleration is 0. In this point, acceleration is 0. This is parallel to time axis. But therefore, we can find that is dx by dt is speed. We know that speed is equal to dv dt. Acceleration is equal to dv dt. To find the acceleration is, since the slope is 0, acceleration is also 0. dv dt at this position is 0, therefore acceleration will also be 0 at this point. Thank you everybody for watching this video.